The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is generating a lot of attention in the smartphone world, and it's positioned as a significant game changer. Here's a breakdown of some of its notable features. Camera powerhouse. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an impressive 200-megapixel main camera lens, equipped with a quad-camera setup that covers various focal lengths, from ultra-wide to telephoto. This setup provides remarkable zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture high-quality images from various perspectives. S Pen integration. Samsung has retained the beloved S Pen, known from the Galaxy Note series. This stylus is perfect for detailed editing, note-taking, and creative sketches, enhancing the phone's productivity and creative capabilities. AI integration. Samsung has incorporated artificial intelligence, AI, into both the hardware and software of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. AI-powered features are designed to make the smartphone experience smarter and smoother, improving various aspects of daily use. Durability and design. The phone features a titanium frame, which adds to its overall durability and premium feel. While design and build quality are important, the focus appears to be on AI-driven enhancements that steal the spotlight. Innovation. Samsung's commitment to innovation is evident in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, promising an exciting evolution in technology. The device aims to redefine the smartphone landscape in 2024. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra combines powerful camera capabilities, S Pen integration, AI enhancements, and a durable design to offer users a cutting-edge and versatile smartphone experience. Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of technology is expected to result in a groundbreaking device for users to enjoy. Stay tuned for further updates and details about this exciting smartphone.